Gonzalez. Guardiola was very happy, never the statesman. The referee can be touchline will adorn the club's museum and the press room here where they've got all the pictures of the great games over the years. There's a poor when it falls to Lionel Messi. He's been dormant for most of the first half. Messi. That's what his most dangerous. He tried to wrap his arm awaiting his first touch of the ball with 5 minutes gone. That looked like a corner. Assistant didn't get a swipe from Alves. Now Messi flicks it in! Oh, wonderful attempt! Pure genius.
Terrific in their power to keep a clean sheet. Don't let Real Madrid back in it.
Yes, Lionel Messi taking on all comers right across. Drifting, driving. David Villa. 3-0! He's feeling very smoothly with Lionel Messi. Messi inside. Villa. Brilliant run by Villa. Can he finish it? He can! He scores!